Desire is a contract that you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want. Don't count your chickens before they're hatched. Expect the river to be wild, surprising and challenging. To expect the opposite is to live in delusion. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. If a job is worth doing, it is worth doing well. Keep your intention pure. Emotions will try to distract you, so keep going. That's the cure. Make the mind tougher by exposing it to adversity. Problems only exist in the human mind. The average man is conformist, accepting miseries and disasters with the stoicism is of a cow standing in the rain. Difficulty is what wakes up the genius. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. It can ruin your life only if it ruins your character, otherwise it cannot harm you inside or out. Just that you do the right thing, the rest doesn't matter. Many men will meet me who are drunkards, lustful, ungrateful, greedy, and excited by the frenzy of ambition. The limit is not the sky, the limit is the mind. What we fear doing most is usually what we most need to do. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. You will be attacked for doing the right thing. Do it anyway. Never let people who choose the path of least resistance steer you away from your chosen path of most resistance. Life is full of hostility, some of it overt, some clever and underhanded. Do what you will, even if you tear yourself apart. Most people will continue doing the same things. I begin to speak only when I'm certain what I'll say isn't better left unsaid. We should not like sheep follow the herd of creatures in front of us, making our way where others go, not where we ought to go. You need not look about for the reward of a just deed. A just deed in itself offers a still greater return. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Inwardly we ought to be different in every aspect, but our awkward dress should blend in with the crowd. What you're supposed to do when you don't like a thing is change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Don't complain. Your children will fade, your thoughts will fade, these planets will fade, this sun will fade. It will all be gone. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Don't let jerks live rent-free in your head. The truth is that our finest moments are most likely to occur when we are feeling deeply uncomfortable, unhappy, or unfulfilled. Control your perceptions. Direct your actions properly, willingly. Accept what's outside your control. If a man is very shy when talking to women, it means that he cares a lot about their opinion. Don't aim to be perfect, aim to be anti-fragile. What we desire makes us vulnerable.